Well, it's exciting because it's extending our portfolio of solutions, also beyond the AV over IP. So we're adding wall plates to our portfolio by using HT-based technology. So we're introducing an HT-based gateway, which is a device that essentially takes in HT-based or can output HT-based, and then at the same time convert that into IPMX. So you can have your IPMX-based AV over IP singles converted to HT-based and vice versa. So that allows us to connect to every HT-based wall plate, every HT-based matrix switch, like essentially all the HT-based gear that's already out there in the market and still has a big purpose in a lot of installations, right? So that's very exciting that we're introducing that here. We are extending into USB-C one-wire solutions. It's of course a big demand in the market. Everybody wants to just walk into a meeting room, hook up your laptop, get your network connectivity, get your power, get your audio, video, and your USB devices connected. And in our AV over IP encoders that we've been having in our portfolio so far, there was a little bit of a gap there. So we've actually started development on what we call the CL100, which is a one-wire USB-C hub essentially, which will also give you your network connectivity. So that's quite unique. You can connect your network, your corporate office network into that device and have that all connected on the one-wire USB-C connection. The other thing it also would do would give you charging up to 100 watts, so even like the most challenging charging laptops are all taken care of. And the box can be combined with our AV over IP encoders to give you a full, seamlessly connected solution. But you can also combine it with any other AV over IP solution or use it in small huddle rooms without any extension solutions. So that's going to be available later in the year, but we're showing it here, so it's very exciting. The question of being able to use IP singles that are already on the network, which might not be your AV over IP protocol that you're actually using, right? Because all the AV over IP systems use different protocols. What do you do with all these other singles that are already on the network? Think RTSP cameras, MPEG over IP, IPTV singles, all those kind of things. They're already there, right? And the IHX camera singles. And how do you get those back into your AV over IP solution without having to go back to HDMI and then re-encode, which is something that we still do today. And that's where SCG comes into place, our stream conversion gateway. It does protocol conversion, and protocol conversion means we're essentially just removing the wrapper of the actual single. We're not touching the payload, so that also means that we're not adding any additional latency to the system because we're not really transcoding, we're not changing the payload. So in that way we can connect to NDI-HX, we can connect to NDI-HX2, we can connect to RTSP, MPEG over IP, SRT for remote site-to-site, maybe even public internet type applications, without adding a lot of additional latency. It's new to the market, as in like we've not been doing this. We've been thinking in just putting dedicated black boxes to kind of do this kind of conversion, right? And yes, that fits a purpose if you just want to do like one source is going to be made available into another protocol, but you lose all the flexibility because you're hardwiring stuff together, right? So you lose all this flexibility. So if you keep doing that on the IP level, everything is flexible. You can select any stream, you can select any source that you have on your network and move it anywhere to any other protocol anywhere on the network.